Welcome to Udable.com.
आपको ये ऑडियो लगातार 7 दिन तक दिन में 3 बार सुनना है, जिससे आपकी इंग्लिश बेहतर होगी। I am Imran. Who am I? I am Imran. I am at the market. Where am I? I am at the market. I am happy. I am not tired. Am I happy or tired? I am happy. This is Sana. Who is this? This is Sana. She is my sister. Who is she? She is my sister. She is at this market too. She is not tired. Is she tired? No, she is not tired. That is Ali. Who is that? That is Ali. He is my brother. Who is he? He is my brother. He is near that shop. Is he near that shop? Yes, he is near that shop. This market is big. Is this market big? Yes, this market is big. Look at this shop. It is open. How is this shop? Open or close? It is open. That shop is closed. It is not open. These fruits are fresh. Are these fruits fresh? Yes, these fruits are fresh. Those fruits are old. Are those fruits old? No, those fruits are not fresh. These bags are heavy. Are these bags heavy? Yes, these bags are heavy. Those bags are light. Are those bags light? Yes, those bags are light. We are together. We are happy. How are we? We are happy. We are family. We are not tired. Are we tired? No, we are not tired. These people are sellers. Who are these people? These people are sellers. Those people are buyers. Who are those people? Those people are buyers. You are here with us. You are my helper too. You are happy. You are not tired. Are you tired? No, you are not tired.